Mansory's F9XX kit for the Ferrari SF90 Stradale is an acquired taste, with over-the-top aerodynamic components and an overall aggressive look. Thankfully for SF90 owners, Mansory has recently revealed a more modest set of enhancements for the hybrid supercar. The improvements, officially branded as Softkit and available for both the SF90 Stradale and the SF90 Spider, begin at the front end, where the bumper and splitter have been redone and are now much more noticeable. Hitting a speed bump in this monster could be deadly because the front splitter is so low to the ground, but it has a lot of visual appeal. Additional changes to the Ferrari's front end include big flics on the splitter's outer borders, two small canards on either side, and some naked carbon fiber trimmings on the hood. The SF90's wheels are identical to those seen on Mansory's F9XX models, and they rest atop a set of yellow brake calipers. The Ferrari's menacing image is further enhanced by striking side skirts and new carbon fiber side air intakes. A redesigned rear wing, engine cover, and a striking new diffuser with big vertical fins and yellow pinstriping complete the exterior. The interior of this vehicle is not for the faint of heart. It is dominated by bright yellow leather on the seats, door panels, bottom section of the dashboard, and steering wheel. A slew of carbon fiber components can also be found throughout, as well as a pair of new paddle shifters. Mansory points out that SF90 cars equipped with the Softkit receive the same powertrain enhancements as the F9XX. It means the 4.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8 produces 980 horsepower and 723 pounds-to-foot, 980 Newton-meters, of torque on its own. When combined with the three electric motors, the automobile produces 1,100 horsepower and 722 pounds-to-foot, 980 Newton-meters, allowing it to achieve 100 kilometers per hour, 62 miles per hour, in 2.4 seconds and a top speed of 355 kilometers per hour, 221 miles per hour.